Hey, good morning. Hey man, as you can see today, we're outside on this beautiful Saturday morning, getting ready to take a ride. And look, I want to tell you about a dream I had last night. I dreamed I was at a Harley dealership riding on a Harley Davidson road glide. I don't know what that means. So I think that's where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take a ride to the Harley dealership and just see what they have. I don't know, we have to see what this dream is all about. So I got on up and said, why not? So I'm gonna head to the Harley dealership and I'm gonna take you with me. Hey man, one of the things I want to know the differences in the road glide and the street glide. Can you give me your opinion on road glide, street glide? Do you ride a road glide? Do you ride a street glide? Hey, let me know in the comments. Come on, let's ride. What's up guys? Welcome back to another Sliding on Twoz video. Hey, today I'm just hopped on my bike, man. I'm just gonna ride. Just to see what I can see out here. Maybe I'll run into a couple of other bikers, man. Always good to meet your fellow bikers. Wow, it's amazing. I saw a car wreck, didn't get it on camera. They did not stop. They both kept going. Hey, I'm right down the street from the Harley dealership. I just need your opinion before I get there. So I want to know, street glide or road glide? I really like to have your opinion. So leave the comments. I need the pros and the cons. So which you think is better, road glide or street glide? And why? All right, babe, we just pulled up to the Harley dealership. We're just gonna check it out, see what they got over here, see what they got outside. See, I'm thinking this one is a street glide. This one's probably a road glide. I like the double lights on the head. It's probably more of my style. Let's check it out. That baby is pretty, and I love the color on it. It's my color, baby. That is my color. Look at this. See, I really want something with a fairing on it. I like that fairing with the speakers on it. Just a nice bike, man. This is exactly what I want. So if I was to buy anything, it would be this one. Actually, it's a 114. Check it out. 114. I thought it was 107 at first. And then see, I can put the driver's backrest there too. But this is exactly what I like. They got some other nice bikes now. You know, if you want something without a fairing, pretty much what I have now. And then if you want to go big boy, see, because now I don't know about you, let me know in the comments. I would prefer without the tour pack on it, like this one. I think this one is nice. Then if you want the tour pack on it, then you got that one right here. And all the ones back there with the tour packs on them. I mean, if you're gonna travel, tour pack is great. And if I can have it where I could, you know, on and off, then I would be okay. I mean, these are nice. They got that nice passenger seat on them. You know, with the tour pack on them. So that's okay, but this one, I really like this one. Let's see what this is. It's a road glide. That's what I want. Now, I like the road glide because it has the, I think it has the double lights on it too, right? Yep, it has the double lights. Kind of how I can tell them a difference. And you can see the handlebars are independent of the fairing. I really like that. So this one is really nice. Really like this bike. And it's also a 114. So it look like I like the 114. But that black and red over there is really The one I really like just because of the color. Let's look at it one more time before we go inside of the dealership. I may have to test drive this one. Find out what year it is. It's probably a new one. It's out here. We're gonna roll into the dealership. And see what we see. Here we go. All right, they in there. They in there. See if I can find a salesman and talk to a salesman. Anything you want, you can have it. Anything you want. What you want? What do you want? Let's just see what they got in here. Man, there's another one. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see if it's a 114 also. Actually, it's a 107. I'll take it. Love the color. Black and red, my color. 107, baby. I'll take it. Tell them to wrap up this 107 for me. This one right here. I'm gonna have to test drive it. Just not into the one headlight, man. Although my Kawasaki has one headlight, I really like the dual headlights that's on the Road Glides. Yeah, there's some nice bikes here. When you really pay that dealer price, and hey, here it is. I love the color on this one. And that's a Road Glide. Let's look at it in the front. Well, let's see, it's a 117. It's a 117. I like it. Don't have kind of, well, it's the double lights, but see how they just spread out. I love that look. I love the look on that bike. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then of course, independent bars and the fairing on it. Your speakers. And them look like about, I don't know, it looks like 18-inch bars, but they might even be higher than that. We'll get a salesman and see what they're talking about. All right, let's go back here. I may buy something today. I'm not sure about a motorcycle, but we'll see. We got some smaller bikes back here. And that's what I need, man. I wish one of these seats would fit on my bike, but they won't. And that's the only thing negative about the Kawasaki, is that it's really hard to, you know, customize it like you want. With a Harley Davidson, you can customize that joker to you can't customize anymore. And so that's what make me, you know, want to go towards a Harley, is just because it, you know, you can customize it. I mean, I have plenty of helmets, so no helmet is gonna tempt me. Doesn't matter what it look like. Uh-oh. Man, I spoke too fast. But do you like full face helmets, half helmets? Now, I'll do a full face if it's modular. And I don't think this one is modular. No. I just get claustrophobic on the full face. It has to be a modular. What about a hat? See, the only thing is I'm in a Harley Davidson dealership. Everything is for Harley Davidson. Although I'm at Mancuso Harley Davidson, which is my favorite dealer, and this is where I actually took my MFS class here at Mancuso. And here's the track right back here. Here's the classroom for the MFS class. And here's the actual track back here. And actually we got a class going on right now. And man, they're in a hot sun, but it's a 2-day class here at Mancuso Harley Davidson. But I'm gonna let you talk about it. You tell me what you think.
What are you riding now?
It's out there. It's an 09 Kawasaki Vulcan.
Okay. You gonna trade it?
Maybe, I don't know. I love my little Vulcan. But I wanted a fairing though. You know, something with a fairing. Is this the 23?
Yep, that's the 23. These are all 23s.
And this is a...
It's got the 107.
This is the 107. See, I love this bike, man. I love the Road Glide.
Well, I ride the Road Glide.
Who is that?
I ride a Road Glide.
Okay.
Everybody in here rides a Road Glide. It's only a 107.
He say only. I'm a fairly new rider, so I don't need no 114 or nothing like that.
But the problem is that when you buy a 107, you're going to do so much to it. I had a 107, and I sold it last year, and I did a lot to it. So if you start off at the top of a 117,
right, you
ain't got to do much to it.
Okay.
And honestly, Harley has really done some stuff on 23s and 24s.
Right.
So, like I like the Road Glide too, but I'm like, I don't want a 107.
What you riding now?
I had a Street Glide.
Street Glide.
I had a Street Glide.
So the main difference is the Street Glide, the fairing is connected, right?
Yeah, the bar.
And I think that's why I like the Road Glide, because
Because the fairing stays the same. I rode Street Glide for years.
Really?
For like 6-7 years, and my next one is going to be a Road Glide.
Yeah, I think Road Glide, if I'm going to jump out, that's what it's going to be, the Road Glide.
Everybody who has Street Glides with the Road Glide always go, I like the Road Glide better.
Well, they tell me it's like when you're on the highway and the wind is more stable.
You don't feel the wind. Right?
Okay.
I'm a big guy, so it didn't really bother me. I feel a little bit, I was strong, but a couple of times I got a couple gusts of wind. And,
got USB port, navigation.
They trying to get me, y'all. They trying to get no.
They're gonna get you.
They trying to get me, man.
You can control this whole thing with these two little
just the
joysticks here. So this is like your mouse. You press in to enter, and then this one is your main screen. You push in on it, and it takes you to the main screen. Now you can do your music, your nav, your phone.
Yeah, the fairing is what I like to have now. I got a windshield now, but.
Right here you got traction control system. It's really called RDRS.
Is that like the ABS?
Well, it's got ABS, but RDRS does 3 things. A, it's traction control, so it won't let your tires spin.
Okay.
Like grass or wet or whatever. It keeps you more stable. It also has, if you're on a hill and you come to a stoplight or a stop sign, pull hard in on that brake and you'll feel it vibrate.
Okay.
And once it vibrates, you can let go of it, locks you in place, you won't go backwards.
Oh, wow.
And you can also got tire pressure monitoring system.
What size bars are those? Like 12?
No, these aren't 12. These are maybe 8.
Maybe 8? Yeah. Okay. That would be probably the only thing I would change. Maybe go to 12.
Like right here, you can see that's your front tire pressure.
Right.
There's that's range. There's front. There's rear. Then there's your mileage.
Okay.
And then there's your tripometer A, tripometer B. That's your range. That's how many miles to empty. And then that's back to your tire pressure.
So how many miles you got on it now?
38.
38,000?
38.
38 miles.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Oh, it's brand new. But it's a 23.
Yeah, it's 23, brand new 23.
Brand new 23.
With that one there, that lets you know also where your tire pressure is.
Right. Yeah, I'm here with Russell, man. He's trying to get me right, man. I don't know. He want me to test drive it. I don't know about all that. Because if I test drive it, I might want to keep going. I have to go do the paperwork then. And y'all do, is it in-house financing or y'all go out?
Well, we got Harley Davidson, Eagle Mark.
Straight Harley Davidson.
Then we got some other places. We got credit unions. We got
Right.
second chance financing.
Yeah, and I got a credit union, so I probably could go through that. Because I'm with a finance company now with the Kawasaki, but man. All right, so
What was your name again?
look, Russell write me up. He gonna stay in touch.
I am going to stay in touch. I'm going to email you and I'm going to text you. I don't do a whole lot of phone calls. I don't like to bother people.
Right,
But
right.
I'm going to give you information like when our events are so you can come out and ride with us.
That's exactly one of the things I was.
Here, hop on there. I'll take a picture of you.
Okay. So our Harley's belt driven? Okay. Or chain? I thought it was. This one belt.
They're all belt.
Okay.
The only one that's a chain is the adventure bike.
Because mine is belt driven. So yeah, I'm gonna come back in and test drive it, man. I just got it. Yeah. Look at the finances. That's about all. And then sit down. My credit's pretty decent, so. All right, Russell, putting it back for me for right now, and then we're gonna come back and test drive it. I just don't have the time today, but I'm gonna come back and we're gonna test drive it.